taking a look at the E-mini S&P on the right with the tick and the advancers and decliners down here at the bottom. I'm going to turn pointer tracking on. I'm going to turn that back on in a minute and show you the insider's volume on the left. But what we had today, I wanted to go over the price action. We had some news, highest consumer confidence in over a year. It came out at 9:55 Eastern in this time frame. Market sold off, hit a low around 11 o'clock, and then rebounded ever since. The tick went down to minus 911. You see that there, fairly symbolic, 911. We also had a gap down. And so I want to take a look at the insider's volume indicator over here on the left. The insider's volume indicator, I'm going to get rid of this pin. This pin freezes price action when I use it. So first of all, I'm going to use pointer tracking to scroll. I have the 1 minute charts over here on the right. And when I scroll on the right, you see the price, the one tick bars on the left. We keep track of each one tick bar for the volume, so we can track the insider's volume, and it's hard to see what's going on, so I have a 1 minute chart over here on the right since you can't see the whole day with one tick bars. And you can use pointer tracking to quickly scroll through and see what happened to this volume. And blue means positive buying, red means selling, and the insiders is on the top, the small traders is on the middle chart, and the total is on the bottom. 50 is a threshold, so greater than 50 contracts traded is a insider's trade, less than 50 is a small trader, and then at the bottom that's the total again. The high is on this is the yellow number, so 10,059 is the total insider's volume, buying over selling. Minus 53 is the low. You see the small traders right here, 57.73 and 22.07, and then the total right here. And so you want to track this from left to right and see what happened during the day, during the lows. As we come into the day, we see that everyone is net long. And as we get the GDP, or not the GDP, but the consumer confidence news, the market begins to sell off. See down here near the low, though, over here on the left, the small traders are short. They're selling, and the insiders are net long. And so you see the totals here is short, the small traders are short, but the big trade so far in the day, there's not any big selling, is still net long. And then as the market recovers, the small traders get long again, and at this point in the day, everyone is long. The total volume is long, the small traders are long, and the insiders are long and have stayed long pretty much most of the day. So we'll see what happens the rest of the day on this. Thought it was very interesting to see this selling and the large traders stay long while the small traders went short, and the contrarian nature of small traders versus large traders. I do not have a system for this indicator yet, but it is an indicator, and that is one way to potentially use this indicator.